This is my dog, and she's paranoid at the ceiling fan. Ooh, scary. Ooh, it's gonna get you, Minnie. Oh no. Ooh. Rawr. Oh. It's not gonna hurt you, Minnie. Yeah, whatever. It will hurt me. Let me sniff my butt. I'm kidding. Paranoid. Oh, it won't zoom. Sorry. Just about to lose her crap. She's gonna fall off this bed. Laugh so hard. Are you gonna hurt me? Hey, get him. Come on, Minnie. Come on. Come on. He's your best friend, the ceiling fan. He's your best friend. Well, not really. You're such a little baby. Oh no, don't leave me with the ceiling fan. Oh no, 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 delete me while I sleep. No. That's her voice, by the way. Apparently she's not scared anymore. Oh, wait. It's a ceiling fan. Minnie, it's gonna eat me. It's gonna eat me. Earthquake. Apparently you're not scared of it anymore. Ouch. You get off me, you little mooch. I'm gonna turn the lights off. No, don't turn the lights off on me. Oh, no, no. Oh, darn it, you can't see her. Well, this blob is her. She's staring into your soul. Okay, the end.